My name is Angie Green, and I am with AGreen Studios. I have a YouTube channel that used to be called Painting with Fibromyalgia, and now it's Angie Green or Angela Green Paint and Chat. And that YouTube group was formed for the purpose of painting with people who endure chronic pain. So painting is really good for that, and that's why I formed that channel. And since then, I have been branching out in also my own direction and developing my own work. So that is AGreen Studios. Now, many of you know that I'm going to be opening up a new brick and mortar business in the community nearby, and that will be called AGreen Studios. Again, AGreen Studios, but it will also include a paint and sip, a venue for when you have your friends come over and get together and do girls' night out or bachelorette parties, or however you want to have your group included in some nice, clean, fun, and a lot of people enjoy paint and sips. So I want to let you know we're going to be doing that. And it's also going to have a gallery and maybe a working studio. I probably will be working on some paintings or something. So if you stop by in the afternoon, you'll probably see me doing some art. So in progress. So that'll be fun too. Also, I will update you. So I don't want you to think that I'm not going to give you the rest of the details, the information. I already have a grand opening in the making. So stay tuned and I will give you the details. I also like to network with other people in the community. There are a lot of people that I know well who have their own businesses, such as Pocono Insurance Agency with Rosalind and Alexa. But there are several very strong, kind business women that I know in the community that I help to support, and we support each other. So that's a good thing. And so it's really nice to network with people like that. So if you have a small business and you want to get it out there, and you're in the same community as me in Northeast Pennsylvania, then just mention it in the comments and I'll be able to give you a shout out. Okay, so because I think us business women need to stick together and encourage each other and support each other, and support each other financially too. So instead of going to the mall or ordering online, we can just buy things from each other. Either it's art or it's insurance or it's travel plans or whatever it is that we do, we can do it through each other. So if you see me out there and you recognize me, let me know. Come up to me and let me know. I love to meet people through my art business. I just did a festival recently, a winter festival at the Sherman Theater, and somebody recognized my painting. Let's see which shoulder will be that painting right there. Somebody recognized it and said, "Oh, I saw that online." And I said, "Oh, you must follow me." So if you see this video and it was you, mention it. Okay, so thanks. That's all I wanted to mention this time, but I wanted to give shout outs to other business women in the community. Okay, thank you. And I will let you know exactly the time, the place, and everything you need to know about this new business of mine. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.